overview. So that we can see here is that you can delete the password, you can lock the account, and you can unlock the account, and you can expire the password, and also you can set a maximum password lifetime and set a minimum password lifetime and specify the warning. And you can specify after a certain number of days after password expiration that the account becomes disabled. Now there is another command that is called as chage, ch8. Let's do --help to get an overview. You can see that it gives you more or less similar options. Now what is useful about chage is that it has -l option. Let's do chage -l on Julia, and we can see an overview of all the current settings for user Julia. For the test, you can pick up whichever command you like. Now let's go back to pass wt -help. Let's lock our user. First I need to be sure which user accounts we got. Let's get them from passwt file. There we can see that we have user Laura, and I'm gonna log the account for user Laura. So that will be passwt -l Laura. And you can see that locking has been successful. Now exactly what has happened? As if you look in EDC shadow file and you look at user Laura, you will see there is double exclamation mark in front of the password. And that's actually what's happening when you lock an account. So if you want to unlock the user account again, that will be -u. You see me, by the way, typing --help all the time. I really recommend you using that unless you are capable of remembering all these commands. So passwt -u Laura would unlock the user account. Let's do that. Passwt -u Laura and hit enter. Now let's look at something else. I want to expire the account, which means that the account should expire on, say, July 1st. So passwt -help gives me an expired password option. So let's check what exactly it's doing, because it's not very clear what it means. So man passwt, so let's check -e there in the man page. And this is a quick way to expire a password for an account. And a user will be forced to change the password during the next login attempt. So that will expire the validity of the password, and next time the user logs in, he will be prompted for a new password. If I do chage -help, we also have an expire option there, which is the expire date. So this sets the account expiration date. And that is exactly what we need here. You see that there are things you can do with the chage and which you cannot do with the passwt. So be aware of that. Now if you look at the man page of chage by typing man chage, it explains us that the format it expects from the expiration date is the number of days since January 1st, 1970, which is kind of difficult calculation, or it wants the date in year, month, day format. So if you want to expire a user Laura on July 1st, 2015, that will be 2015-07-01 followed by the name of the user. Let's do that. chage -e 2015-07 for July and 01 and the name of the user. Now the interesting thing is, can we find whether it worked or not? If we do vim on Etsy shadow, we can see that there is user Laura, and user Laura has a setting of 16617 at the end, which is the amount of the days since January 1st, 1970. That's the account will expire on. So these are just examples of how to manage password expiration. You'll be able to find out other options as well as if you need them. Prepare this very well. This is one of the objectives you might encounter in your day-to-day daily lives or in an exam also. Thank you.